Good day, my learners. I am your geography teacher, Mrs. Maluleke, and today we are going to look at the contour model, how it is built, the landforms on it, its contour lines, and all the features. Now, what is a contour line? The contour lines are imaginary lines on a topographical map that join places that are having the same altitude. The contour interval of this map is 20 meters. The contour lines represent the shape, the height, the landscape features, and how gentle or steep the slope is. When the slope is steep, the contour lines are close to each other, and when the slope is gentle, it means the contour lines are far apart from each other. If the number of the contour lines are decreasing, it means that they indicate the downhill slope. And if the numbers are increasing, it means the contour lines indicate an uphill slope. So my contour line indicate the downhill slope. I will be discussing the landforms on my contour model, such as the plateau, the valley, the spur, the cliff, the ridge, the hill, delta island, the sea, and the river. Now I'm going to continue with my teaching and learning moments. We are having the ridge. What is the ridge? The ridge is a long or a high narrow hilltop with contours that are close to one another. It is formed when the contour lines are elongated because the landscape will be elongated too. It looks like a saucer shape. Here is our ridge. Now we are going to the valley. The valley, it has a V-shaped contour lines that point uphill in the mountains. It is a lowland found on top of the hill or between the hill and the mountains. It has a river flowing through it. You can see that the river that flow through the valley. We are having the spur. This is an area on the map that has a highland. It is located between the valleys and it has contour lines that are V-shaped or U-shaped and they point downhill. Here is the spur. We are having the plateau. Here is the plateau. What is the plateau? The plateau is a flat area that is higher than the land around it. It is represented by contour lines that are close and they are surround a huge area that has few or no contours. We are having the hill. Here is our hill. A hill is a place that is high but not as large as the mountain. It has circle contour lines or an oval shape. Here is our hill. The cliff. The cliff is a high, steep, rocky slope formed by erosion or movement of the earth. It has steep contour lines that are on top or near on top of each other. Here is the cliff and its contours that are near to each other. We are having the river. The river starts from its source. There is the source and it flows through the valley. There's the valley where the river flows, and it flows to the sea or the ocean, and it flows on the steep slope, which means that its contour lines are close to each other. We are having the delta. The delta is a land formed by the deposition of the sediments from the river as it enters the sea. Here is the delta. We are having the islands. This is a small piece of land covered by water. Here is our island. We are having the sea. Here is the sea. The smaller part of an ocean that may have a small piece of land. Now we are getting to the consolidation. The consolidation, which is under the conclusion. So in my conclusion, the learners have learned how to explain the contour lines, how they differ in meters. They have learned about the different landforms and how they are formed, such as the spur, the valley, the hill, the plateau, the ridge, the cliff, and the river and its features. They know the difference between these landforms, and they can interpret or indicate them on the map. They know the decreasing number of contour lines that they indicate the downhill slope, and they know that the increasing number of contour lines indicate the uphill slopes. They know how a river is formed and how it flows. Now on the homework, my learners will do activity of drawing the 5 landforms in their class workbooks, indicating their contour lines and naming them. They should define the contour lines. They should differentiate between the gentle slope and the steep slope, and also they should name the landforms with their contour lines, and also indicate the decreasing and increasing slopes formed by the contour lines. This is the end of my lesson. I thank you.